This is how good my sister can shoot with a sharp fire pistol. Go. Not very well. She knows how to reload because I taught her already. That's my sister. The nuttiest sister. Not very good. Alright, one last try. That's all she has. One last round. Alright, sis. I know you can do this. Aim for the truck one. Okay. Now, going on. Sis, how about you hold this for my turn? Alright, guys. This is how good I can shoot a Nerf pistol.
Yeah, my friends. This is for my brother, my friends. Dylan, this is for you.
Okay. So, here is how it'll end. All three of these cans will be down. Watch.
Okay, Dylan, this is for you.
Okay, messed up once, but I'm better than her. Roasted. Okay, not a very good shot, but each can holds 5,000 points. These hold 190,000. This holds only 5,000. Okay, one last try. Since I lost half the rounds I already have, I am doing it one last time. Hold on. Gotta add a piece with added pistol add-ons. Did it!